Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today guys I'm gonna be teaching you how you can create your website absolutely for free. Okay, so the first step we're gonna be taking today is going to the search bar and type nicepage.com. Yes, after this you are going guys to register with your email account. Click here where it says register. Yes, after this you type your email and then your password. Yes, and after this click where it says sign up. Remember that you can also register with your Google account or your Facebook account. Yes, but right now we're gonna be using our email and click where it says sign up. Yes, you have two options. You can ever download the platform for you to edit and create your website, or also you can use the online website builder. For the purpose of the video, we're going to use the online builder. Yes, so click here where it says online builder, and the machine is preparing our online platform to create our first website absolutely free. So after we confirmed our email address, is gonna be this guide. Yes, you are going to see this guide. Just click where the arrow indicates. Yes. Well, my website is in Spanish, but the first step we're going to take is change the language for you to be easier, where it says idioma here. And scroll down, idioma, yes, but we're going to change it to English. Yes, it's uploading now. And we are ready to go. Okay, as you can see, you have two options, guys, for you to create a website for free. The first is adding elements. For example, you are going to click here and add a text, for example. Yes, you type text. Click here where it says text, and then, well, text again, and you are going to edit here. Yes, just click here, sample text, click here to select the text element, and you are going to create your first website. For example, first website. Yes, as you can see, you can enlarge this, and yeah, select it, and in the right side you can see that you are going to put it align center, for example. Yes, also you're going to change the size of the text. For example, it's in 18, I'm gonna be putting it in 24, and as you can see right here, yes, there are many options that you can use this website. For example, you are going to add an image. Yes, click here, add element, image, once again image, and you are going to add your image. For example, I like this backpack, for example. Click here, medium size, apply, and it's uploading. Let's wait for some seconds, and as you can see right here, I am watching my backpack. You can enlarge this, yes, the way you want it, the way you like it. Yes, this is just an example. If you want to give a background for this part, yes, click outside. This is the image. Click outside, and in the right side you can see that there is background. Yes, click here, for example, gradient, and it's like this. Yes, or also you can change the color. For example, let's imagine is this one, but I don't want it gradient. For example, color like this, and I change it to this, for example. Yes, like this. Yes, as you can see my website. Yes, I can move it. Yes, I can yes, I select it and then put it in black, bold. Yes, as you can see right here. Also you can add more elements. Click here, for example, in the plus button, and you are going to use a call to action, for example, call to action button, and you are going to see the type of button. For example, this one, click, and here it is. Yes, and you move it, and for example click inside the small text. For example, go to website, you type it, go to website, yes, select it again. If you ever want to put a link, for example, you select it, and then you can see in this clip, click here, and you're going to put the web address. The text that I put was go to website, and imagine this is an affiliate link. For example, my favorite socks, for example, .com, and then click down, or you just type your referral link here and click it down. Yes, when the users you publish this website, they are going to click here, and is going to be redirected to the website. Yes, yeah, this you can explore more and more options when you want to create a website. Another option you guys are going to do here, for example, you are going to add imagine that you don't want to do this hard work and then you want to add a theme, so it's easy. Just we go to this part, to the left side, and click here, and we are going to add page designs, for example. Yes, we go to page designs. As you can see, you are going to choose the most desired one, the one that you like, and you can see that there are categories here, for example, for sale, business and law, car and transportation, education, fashion and beauty, industrial, and many other options. For example, let's imagine you want fashion and beauty. Click here, yes, and as you can see, there are themes. Some are for free and some you have to pay. Yes, so imagine guys you would like this one, for example, click here, and it is uploading. Okay, as you can see, it's uploading here, and you are going to replace the texts with your own information. For example, get in touch. For example, you don't want this image, click inside the image and then click here, change image, and you guys are going to change the image. For example, let's just, for the purpose of the video, this one, for example, medium size, apply, and as you can see, I am replacing the image. Yeah. Well, and you also can change the text here. You don't like, well, get in touch, for example, you can say about us. Yes, click here, and this text also you are going to select it and erase it and put your text. Put your text here. Yes, as you can see, also you are going to put your an external link. Just double click here, then click here to add your web address, modal pop-up, blog, file, PDF, yes, phone number, or many other. For example, you are going to click here and you want an external link. Click here, web address, you type or paste your affiliate link and done. Yes, easy, right? You can change the information here. Yes, very nice website, right? And after this, guys, if you ever want to publish the website, you just click where it says publish. Yes, click where it says publish. Oh, another thing before we can publish this, if you want to edit each and every one of these websites, you are going to click it here. Order also your for example, page 1, home, about, contact. You can ever change the position, for example. Yes, and done. Yes, so if you want to see how many pages you are going to have, just click where it says sites here, and you can edit your your websites. Yes, I mean every page you want to edit. For example, if you want to continue editing this website, click here. Remember that you can do it. Yes, click in the website in this part, and you are going to edit it here. Yes, you can ever also add a blog here. Click here, save to gallery. Yes, for example, you want to add a split, a text. Yes, you can do. Your imagination has no boundaries, as you can see it right here. Yes, you can change this type of this information. For example, nice backpacks. Yes, and then let's imagine we want more here. I want, for example, page designs. For example, I want a blog, I want a button, I want an icon. For example, I want an icon like this. Click here. For example, I want this icon, and is here, for example. Yes, I want to add a text. Click add element, click here, text, heading 2, only text, click here. Yes, and my backpacks are for sale, for example. This is a text. Yes, you can enlarge this, you can align center, align right, left, right, for example. Yes, as you can see right here. Yes, it's according to your imagination. Yes, I guess you are very intelligent. I mean, when we talk about designing, you can do it much better than me. Let's imagine you have a nice website and you want to publish it. You are going to click where it says here publish, and yes, you can ever change the name of your website. For example, let's imagine you change it to my first website today, for example. Yes, the termination is gonna be nicepage.io because it's a free website. Yes, but if you ever want to a termination with .com, .es, .org, you guys are going to pay. You have to pay. Yes, in the end, nothing is really for free, as you can see right here. Yes, the license is required, but we don't have a license. We just need it for free. And my website is going to be called my first website today, for example, and publish live. Click where it says publish live. Yes, it is exporting now, and let's wait some minutes and let's see how is our test. And this is our address, my first website today, .nicepage.io. I'm going to copy it, for example, and paste it here in a new window. Yes, as you can see, this is my first website. As I told you guys, you can never do it, just this is a test, but you can ever do it much better than me. Okay, I hope you have liked my video. Remember that if you ever have some questions, I will be pleased to answer your questions. So enjoy your free website. See you. Bye bye.